Hey friends, welcome to Origins e-Shala. In this session, we are going to make the reflector glass to be fitted in the Pokeball and separate out these bodies to be used in assembly without creating separate part files. We will begin by making only the bottom half visible. Select on the plane 1, choose section view and click OK. Now make the diagonal main profile visible again and view plane 1 from normal direction. Select these profiles and click on Convert Entities. Go to Features tab, choose Revolve Boss/Base and repeat after me. Remember to keep this one unmerged. With this, all our components of the Pokeball toy are complete. Now, many of you must be wondering why we didn't use circular pattern on glass to make its copies. The answer to that, my friend, is quite simple. Even if we made copies and completed it in such a way, of course we could get all the dimensions required for manufacturing. But we wouldn't be able to create a motion animation of this component as all of them are fixed. So, we are going to convert this into an assembly. From industrial point of view, we need to properly document the files for storage and easy access in future. Therefore, rather than separating the solid bodies into separate part files, we will be separating them in this file itself using configuration feature. Click on configuration pane, add configurations with the same name as me and rename the default one as well. Now double-click on bottom configuration to enable it and go back to design tree. Select the inner glass and top half from the solid bodies drop-down, right-click on them and choose delete/keep bodies option and click OK. Now this feature will be present in all configurations but will be suppressed in the other ones. So, we will follow this same procedure to isolate the respective parts in their configurations without altering the whole part. Also maintain the dependent dimensional relationships. With this, all that's left is to color our design. So just follow my lead. Next time, we will be completing the assembly of the Pokeball and make a motion animation video of the same. Till then, keep learning and be the best.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.